to fix this thing. Got a crack on the poor C55 windshield. It's about the size of a dime. So I got this Blue Star kit, so I'm gonna try to fix it. My insurance will replace it with the OEM one for like $100, but I figured I could just try this in the meantime and see if it works. So I'll show you guys the results after. All right, so quick overview. Instructions are right here. Basically what you do, clean it out with a little tack, lay down the first adhesive, put this plastic piece over it, fill the bowl up with the resin. It comes in a little tube right here. Fill the bowl up with the resin, place a plunger in where it's all the way decompressed, and then basically hold on to this bottom portion, pull it up, and then lock it into place. And then gonna let it sit here for about 10 minutes and basically try to vacuum out the air from the crack. All right, so this is before the final step, but already did a lot of improvement. It actually looks worse on the camera than it does in person. So now I'm gonna do the final step, put a little more resin, and then put the little yellow UV shield on it. And luckily I'm getting direct sunlight right now, so try that out. All right, so there it is, all said and done. Not bad actually, $10. And most importantly, I think it's gonna hold together just fine. That's the only thing I wanted to solve, is keep it from spreading, and definitely looks 10 times better than before. So yeah, definitely happy, and definitely recommend this product for anyone out there trying to fix this problem themselves. Not bad at all.